So here we have VinFast VF7, same lighting signature with a V shape on the rear, high gloss black. So that's pretty good for the lighting signature. And what is interesting compared to VF6 is that here we don't have the mismatch of many materials that we have on VF6. So yeah, better practice, flush door handles, and a lot of high gloss black, and even all of the bumper here is with high gloss black. So maybe risk of a fragile product. So for a concept, good. For everyday life, maybe less. Otherwise, looks quite stable, even if the rear appear a bit higher than the front in terms of wheel gaps. But size of wheel and flushness looks very good, and real looks very good for a concept. Maybe it's not very realistic. Other points that just caught my eyes is the bonnet is a one piece but going very far, and it looks really to be close to the contact zone, so I can bet that there will be bonnets damage also in the traffic or when parking. It looks very easy to contact in the traffic. Some other point, we still keep the bit of mixed feeling, like you see messy wipers, they're not well stored, and here like several parts, visible seals that are not homogeneous. So this is where maybe VinFast is disappointing when we look carefully to some other stuff, or this flushness which is not well done. But this car should be a concept. Interior VF7. So immediately we see that there is an effort to cover with the wrapping and stitching. So this seems to be a VinFast way of doing. But once again, there is not the great homogeneous feel we would like to really have, and this is an important part. This is you shake the hand of the car when doing this, and here it's still rough, color heterogeneous, and very basic. So